Your goal is to move fast here because you don't want all of that food to defrost as you clean, and you're gonna have to take it out. So you want a plastic paint scraper is really good. Plenty of all-purpose cleaning spray, and again, a sponge with a green scouring pad on it, and also lots of microfiber towels to get all that spray that you're gonna be putting in there and any water melt on the bottom as well. So once you're ready, you're gonna turn off your freezer, empty out all of the contents, and now the clock's ticking as that's defrosting. You want to start moving. You have about 30 minutes or so to clean this thing out. Take out any racks, spray that with all purpose, let it soak, spray down the inside of the freezer with all purpose, and the goal here is to let your product do the work while you use a scraper and start scraping down the sides, getting all that frozen gunk off the walls and getting it down to the bottom of the freezer. If the ice is too hard, you might have to take a break and let it defrost a little bit more. So give it 5 minutes and come back and try again if it's too hard. And just keep going at it until you've scraped off all the gunk from the sides. If there's like a gross, greasy area, maybe something leaked in there, you're going to want to grab that scouring pad and sponge and go to town on it. Keep scraping everything off the sides down to the bottom of the freezer. Once the walls are scraped, grab your microfiber, start soaking up everything on the bottom of the freezer. It may take a lot of towels while you do this. You can have a trash bag that you're dumping the wet towels into. And then once you have all that mess out, you can give it one last quick spray down with some all-purpose, wipe it down, and start placing all of your food back in it.